Okay, so this is a video of the Godex External Roll Holder, how to assemble it. So this is the first part. And okay, so you assemble these over here. There you go, that's a perfect fit. Yes. Okay, there's the Godex External Roll Holder. Now you can tighten the screw like the gentleman is tightening the screw. See this is Godex. Okay, now you
for
can
2 inch.
For 2 inch you can put this over here.
Okay.
And if you want it for bigger size, then you unscrew from the bottom, loosen the screw, and this can become bigger. And now you can put the bigger thing for the bigger taffeta roll. And this is the box for the Godex, and this is the external label stand, and it has all the instructions. And this is what the box looks like. Is the Godex. Let's see. It says over here 2-inch and 4-inch label unwind module, EZ-DT-2x4 EZ-1000 plus, part number 031-12P015-001 Godex. Okay, and see, now it's been disassembled like this. And what about these two parts, sir? Separator, can you show us, please? Okay, so this is a big taffeta roll, and if you want to put the big taffeta roll over here, these can be separated. Okay, let's see. There you go. Oh, so he's gonna be loosening the screw again a little bit to make space, and here we go. Sounds good. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, good. And where do you attach this, sir? Do you know why this is? What is this for? What is this for?
I'll show you.
Okay. So now we have the TSC 244 label printer, and it's going to be attached like this. I mean, this is going to come on top of this, and then you can print your labels after setting up the taffeta roll and aligning it with the TSC printer. Can we open it, sir? Okay, so that's on the other side. So is this the right way? Okay, see, so it's going the right way, and you can indeed here like this. Okay, so that's right. And this is the way you can print your labels, and the external roll holder is totally attached, and this is the way things go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please do like the video if you liked it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.